Hello everyone, today we are learning very important topic, pawn breakthrough, and it's very important because oftenly pawn breakthrough can be even stronger than distant pass pawn. So take a pause and find how to play here for the white. And I hope you took a pause really, and I hope you found quick solution g5 and after g f6, gf and h6, and pawn will become a queen. Yes, and in case after g5, black, an example move king c5, another move f6, gf, gh, and pawn will become a queen. Okay, move to the next puzzle. This position, white to move. Take a pause. I hope you know this classic ending and you took a pause and found the solution, and solution is of course b6, and it depends of which pawn black takes. An example, c takes b, a6, b takes a, c6, and if another pawn takes a takes b, c6, b takes c, a6. Again, black has two distant pass pawns, yeah, but white win. Okay, move to the another. Take a pause and find here how to win for the white. I hope you easily could find move h6 and g6 unavoidable. An example, f4, g6 and hg, h7, white will promote the queen. Okay, next puzzle. Okay, it's more interesting, so please take a pause and think in this position. Can white save their game? And again, distant pass pawn, black has to win, but white to move, and can they do something? I hope you could find the winning combination for the white. King f4, block the king first, after that pawn breakthrough. Don't forget to block the king h3 and c4. And now if b takes c4 to b5, and if this takes c4 d5, and white easy can block c pawn, an example c3, king e3, and they will promote d pawn. An example, if black will try to push h pawn now, king g2, d6, h4, d7, h3, d8 queen, h2, and queen g5. Yeah. And an example, king f1, queen h4, king g1, or maybe better king g2, queen g4. If king h1, king f2, and king f1, checkmate. Yeah, or something like that. Yeah, I like this finish when white checkmate like this. Okay, next. Wow, this is one of my favorite pawn breakthrough. It seems white will lose the game. No way to save. I already solved this puzzle in another video, but I want to repeat it in this topic. If you already watched my previous video, you can just move video to the next pawn ending. But if not, please take a pause and try to calculate here for the white how to play, white to move. Okay, I hope you found the solution. Only way for the white to play here is e5. Otherwise, black move f5 and there is no pawn breakthrough anymore. White will simply win if they move f5. So e5 only move. Now if black move h4 to block the pawn, white simply play g3, hg, and ih pawn will promote a queen. So king easy can block g pawn and h pawn will become a queen. So h4 is no way. Black need to rush to block white breakthrough. Yeah, they rushed king before, and now only move h4 to. If white, an example, move here g4, just simply h4, and there is no pawn breakthrough. Black simply win. So only move is h4. Now black need to rush to block the pawn. g4, king d5. If hg, king cannot stop the pawn. Just simply h6 and promote the queen. h5 and promote the queen. g4, king d5, gh, king e5, h6, king f6, and h5. And that is incredible position. Too weak. Doubled h pawns win army of the opponent, because that is Zugzwang. Wherever black will go, they will lose the game. An example: b5, king d2, e5, maybe slightly better b4, king c2, e5, king b3, e4, king b4, b5. So but the king very easy can stop both pawns. An example: e3, king d3, b4, king e3, b3, king d3, b2, king c2, and wherever now b1, king b1, and finally black king must move. So black spent all moves, and now they move. An example: king g5 and h7. White will promote the queen. Incredible ending. So that is amazing amazing situation when two weak pawns can win many powerful pawns of opponent, and that is wow, amazing idea. Okay, and one more ending, a very important ending. I just created it. Yes, we need to know endings like this because we need to evaluate position very quick. So white to move, evaluate position, how will this game finished. Okay, in this position white will easy to win. Yes, because they had threat to create pawn breakthrough. If king move to the, if now king f2, and if a pawn move forward, king easy can block. But if black king will go to support to the distant pass pawn, yeah, there will be pawn breakthrough. Now white simply want to attack a7 pawn, just king a5, king a6. An example: king b6, and already here is a pawn breakthrough, like g5, g, king c6, f6, gf, g6, yeah, g5. An example: if white has threat f6, and an example: if g, king c6, f6, g take f, g6, and black will, white will promote the queen. So in this situation black cannot go far. That's why white simply win this pawn, and black don't have any counterplay. If they move the king to d4 square, they simply again lose the game because pawn breakthrough. Okay, That is for the quick evaluation. If you know you have pawn breakthrough, often it will be even more powerful than distant pass pawn. So if you know that, you can evaluate position quick, and you can go to the winning ending, or do not go to the losing ending very quick. So yes, thank you for watching this video. Hope you could enjoy and get some points for you, and keep growing in chess. Bye bye, be happy.